Imagine installing any app on your iPhone, even the ones not available on the App Store. No jailbreak, no errors, no annoying crashes. Sounds crazy? Let me show you how gamers and power users are doing this right now. If you've ever tried side-loading apps before, you already know the struggle. Apps stop working after a few days, certificates get revoked, and you have to reinstall everything again and again. Yeah, it's frustrating. But today I'll show you a much easier and stable method. This is where FlexStore comes in. It's a simple, clean platform that lets you install apps on your iPhone without all the usual headaches. No complicated steps, no technical skills needed, just install and start using. When you open their website, flexstore.com, you'll notice everything is super clean and beginner-friendly. No confusing options. Everything is clearly laid out so you can get started instantly. Now let's install it. Just tap on Get, then open your browser menu. Tap the three dots, hit Share, and select Add to Home Screen. And that's it. No complicated setup. It takes just a couple of minutes. Next step, add your device. This is a one-time process. Once you do this, you're fully set to install apps anytime you want. And this is where things get interesting. You get access to a library of 500-plus apps, including tweaked apps, tools, and stuff you normally can't get on the App Store, perfect for gamers and advanced users. And the best part? This service has been around for 10-plus years, so it's not some random new tool. It's reliable and trusted. Let's test it in real time. I'm installing Subway Surfers. Just one tap, and it installs instantly. Now let's open it, and boom! It works perfectly. The certificate is already configured automatically. You don't need to do anything manually. Now let's take this to the next level. Instead of using the library, I'm going to install a custom IPA file, and for this demo, I'm choosing Famous Fighting Game. First, open FlexStore, then go to the Import section. Now tap on Import IPA and select the game IPA file from your device. Once you select it, just hit Install. You'll see the progress bar, and within a few seconds, it's done. No errors, no failed installs, just smooth. Now let's launch the game. And boom, it opens perfectly. No crashes, no certificate issues, everything running smoothly like a normal app. This is exactly why this method is so powerful. You can install and run apps just like this without any hassle. So yeah, this is honestly one of the easiest and most reliable ways to sideload apps right now. No stress, no repeated installs, just simple and clean. If you're planning to get a certificate, check the link in the description. You'll get plus 2 months extra access and comment below. What apps do you want to install? I might feature your request in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.